Hello everybody, my name is Alan Hall and I will be talking to you at TESOL France about using emotional intelligence in the ELT classroom. Now what that involves is we will be doing a deep dive on the academic research behind emotional intelligence, but not just that, we'll also be looking at the basics of what emotions are. We go back several million years as opposed to just the last few years of research. We talk about mood, how morality comes into learning your second language, so not just in English, but also other languages. The growth mindset, which gets proven and disproven rather often, and then how these get tried and tested in ELT classroom. Now, I've tried and tested these for many years in the ELT classroom, and I think they work for me now. So hopefully, from this talk, you get a bit of the scientific knowledge, and then we move into a lot of ideas that hopefully you can take into the classroom as well. One more thing for TESOL France, which I'm quite excited to talk about, is based on my previous masters in TESOL. I will be able to show you some results from a experiment I did using methodologies from previously discussed papers, which I'll talk about. And went in a deep dive into coursebook material, very well-known coursebook material, to see how their writing, how their reading material, and how the books in general affect our students on an emotional level, or how some of them don't. That's the fun bit as well. So hopefully, if you come to my talk, we'll do some academic research on the emotional side of life, what has happened in the academia and in the classroom, some ideas to take into your classroom, albeit they're in-person ideas. If anybody wants to do them online, you're more than welcome, and some research that will be talked about for the very first time. So thank you very much.